Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Study Time. So guys, this video is the correction of the exercise that I have given you in the last video of direct indirect speech, as well as I will teach you something new related to direct and indirect speech. So let's begin our class now. First is Robin said, I am looking for my class notebook. So guys, I will simply show you the correction and after explaining, I will give you question. Now, Robin said, I am looking for my class notebook. So what we will do? Robin said that we put I or he. We will put he. Why? Because you already know direct speeches. Some other person is saying third person. So if he will use I, he or she will use I. So he or she is talking about himself, not the boy that is Robin. Okay. So we will write. Wait for a minute. Yes. We will write Robin said that, let's put that, and the commas are not there. Robin said that he was looking for his class notebook. Why he was looking? So guys, we use was and he. So I have taught you. Instead of I, here it is. We will put he. Sorry, it is in small letters. Wait for a minute, guys. He. So Robin said that he will change into was. Robin said that he was looking for his class notebook. Okay. Now, I haven't taken a bath, said my sister. So, what will become? My sister, let me write here. My sister said that she, what we will come instead of haven't. I have taught you that present perfect tense will change into past perfect, and the past perfect of haven't is had not. So we will write my sister said that she HADN, I'm writing the short form, had not. Taken will remain on as taken. TAKE, taken a bath. Okay. So I thought that you have understood till here. Now let's come to the next sentence. The PT teacher said, boys, it is 9 o'clock already. So what we will write? The PT teacher said, I am writing above that boy, it, what we will come after it? It was 9. Sorry, I hope that even it was 9 o'clock on EA. So guys, there is not space. Don't worry, I will show you the correction also. First, let's discuss it. We must leave at once, said the refugee. So, refugee is one, but he's talking about the others also, that we, hum sab. So, in our words, what we will write? Let me translate into Hindi. रेफुगी ने कहा कि हम सब एक बार में छोड़ेंगे. We must leave at once. हम अभी यहाँ से निकलेंगे. Okay. So what we will write? The refugee. Let me write here also. The refugee said that must will change into might. So said we might leave at leave at I'm writing here ONCE. Okay, so I hope you have understood this sentence also. Now, let's come to the fifth. The robber told his friend, we will have to run now. Now, this sentence we will do afterwards. You can't understand. We shall be late, said my mother. Let's come to sentence number 6. First, wait for a minute. Yes. We shall be late, said my mother. So the answer will be my mother said that shall will change into should. So we should we should be late. So I hope guys you have understood till here. I not need to ask that you have any doubt till here. If you have any doubt, so please write in the comment box. It is for your doubt only. So this sentence fifth, I will told you after explaining today's topic. So let me show you the correction. So guys, yes, don't C5. I'm not able you to confuse also. Yes. Robin said that he was looking for his class notebook. Now let's proceed to second. My sister said that she had not taken a bath yet. The PT teacher said that the boys, it was that boys, it is 9 o'clock already. The refugee said that they might leave at 1. Now my mother said they should be late. Change of pronoun in the sentence in the indirect speech or reported speech. So, for an example, wait for a minute, guys. Yes. That is not as much dark as I want. Now it is. See, first we see the direct speech. Robin said, comma, I am looking for my class notebook. Okay. Now, Robin ने कहा कि वो अपनी कक्षा की पुस्तिका को ढूंढ रहा है। नाउ रिपीट, हम इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में क्या कहेंगे उस वर्ड को? रॉबिन सेड दैट आई एम लुकिंग फॉर माई क्लास नोटबुक। अब रॉबिन ने बोला कि वो अपनी कक्षा की पुस्तिका को ढूंढ रहा है। तो गाइस आपको इस सेंटेंस में कुछ अंतर है कि ये तो था रॉबिन ने कहा कि मैं अपनी कक्षा की पुस्तिका को ढूंढ रहा हूँ, एंड इन इनडायरेक्ट रॉबिन ने कहा कि वो अपनी कक्षा की पुस्तिका को ढूंढ रहा है। So let's read the sentence that I have written in the box. So in this sentence, my class notebook changes to his class notebook. It is because when the third person is talking about it, he will only say that his class notebook, not mine. If he will talk of my class notebook, then mine is coming for himself. तो गाइस हमने इस क्यों लगाया? अगर जो थर्ड पर्सन है वो बोलेगा तो वो फिर ऐसे ही तो बोलेगा कि मानो जिसको कोई आता नहीं वो तो यही बोलेगा कि रॉबिन सेड दैट आई एम लुकिंग फॉर माय क्लास नोटबुक। तो मैं अपनी क्लास नोटबुक को ढूंढ रहा हूँ। क्या ढूंढ कौन रहा है? रॉबिन ढूंढ रहा है। और रॉबिन के लिए हम his यूज करेंगे। तो ओके, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड very clearly till here. So let's proceed to our next slide. Now, don't laugh on it. It is not a funny picture. I am saying you the second person, third person. Now, I, we. फर्स्ट पर्सन के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? I और we. सेकंड पर्सन के साथ you. थर्ड पर्सन के साथ he, she, it और they. ठीक है। जब फर्स्ट पर्सन सेकंड पर्सन को कोई बात कहता है, आपको तो पता ही होगा बात कहते जैसा आपकी फैमिली में यहाँ से बात पहुंच के वहां चली जाती है, वहां से ऐसे। तो ये क्या होता है? फर्स्ट पर्सन का जो वर्ड आता है उसमें हम यूज करते हैं आई वी। जिस किसी दूसरे से हम बात कर रहे हैं ऑब्जेक्ट, वो मैं आपको भी पढ़ाऊंगा, उसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं यू। और हम दोनों के बीच में कोई अन्य व्यक्ति बात कर रहा है, मीन द थर्ड पर्सन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट बिटवीन द टू आर टॉकिंग, फॉर दैट वी यूज ही, शी, इट, दे। तो गाइस रिमेंबर वन थिंग, अगर आई वी आ जाएगा तब तो वो ही, शी में चेंज हो जाएगा, यू आ जाएगा तो वो आई में चेंज हो जाएगा। पर अगर ही, शी, इट और दे आ गया तो हम इसको कभी भी चेंज नहीं कर सकते। रिमेंबर दिस इन योर माइंड दैट थर्ड पर्सन विल नॉट चेंज। अब मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दिखाता हूँ ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ। I said to Rama said to me, you are a good boy. तो you किसकी बात हो रही है? मेरी। रमा ने मुझसे कहा कि मैं एक अच्छा बच्चा हूँ। तो हम इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? रमा said to me that I was a good boy. Why was? Because in indirect we use was. Okay, so this way we have to do. And if it will come, suppose I said to John in comma, you are a bad boy. So what we will write? I said to John that he was a good boy. Okay, so I hope you have understood by helping of my sentences. It is the first person, it is the second person, and it is the third person. Now, let's proceed to next slide. Now, it is the table, guys. Please read it carefully. I will not read for you. Second person. First person singular for subjunctive case I. Objective case me. गाइस ये जो टेबल है जिसको मैं काट रहा हूँ ऑब्जेक्टिव और पॉजिटिव, इसको आप छोड़ दीजिए। आपको सब्जेक्टिव की तीनों याद करनी है, ये अभी आपके चैप्टर में इंक्लूड नहीं है। लेट मी कट इट। So guys, see, I have cut this table. You have to do only the subjective table, not objective and possessive. Now, first person singular we use I, plural we use we. Second person singular we use you, plural we use you. Same only. And third person singular we use he, she, it. Okay. And for plural we use they. Okay. So I have forgot one thing, guys. What is that? I should not erase them because in indirect speech, objective and positive will help you. So please take a screenshot of it or you learn it. It is your choice. I am giving you for your benefit only this table. I hope that you have clicked the screenshot. Why they are helpful? Because it will come in indirect speech also. For an example, he said to John that, oh, sorry, not that, comma, he is a good boy. No, let me think a correct example. Yes. Rama said to me in comma, this is my notebook. Now, what the third person will say? Rama said to, not third person, in indirect speech, Rama said to me that this is her book. See, her, the use of her has come. So in this way, it will help you. So now let's proceed to next slide. Now, it is a very important topic as it is showing the object that I am telling you in this slide. So you have to see carefully my videos to understand what are objects. Now, for example, see for example that Sita is a girl, Ram is a boy. So Sita said to Ram. Okay, this only, not the full sentence. अब ये क्या हुआ जो बोल रहा है? सब्जेक्ट. ये क्या हुआ? सिंपल हमारा वर्ब. और जो उसको रिसीव कर रहा है, फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, सीता इज सेइंग टू राम यू आर अ गुड बॉय. तो जो कहने वाला व्यक्ति है वो है सीता, जो सुनने वाला व्यक्ति है वो है राम. तो जो सुनने वाला जो व्यक्ति होता है उसे ही हम कहते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट. सो इफ सब्जेक्ट इज देयर plus verb, this is said to is a verb plus object. So it will together form an English sentence, and without object, it is not there. So I hope you have understood this picture very, very carefully. And now let's proceed to next slide. Now, this is very important for you guys. If in if in a sentence says to is there, so we will convert it to text like we convert as I will. In sentences I have given you, said to will change into told. So this is only the sentence, but there is one change I will touch to that. Say to will change into tell. क्या ध्यान रखना कि says to आया तो tells आएगा, और अगर say to आया तो tell आएगा, said to आया तो told हो जाएगा, वो ऑब्जेक्ट में होता है says to, ये said आया तो simply said रहेगा. So let's read this line. It says is there in a sentence. For example, he says that there is no ink in the ink pot. So no change because it is happening in the present. So we will write the same sentence only in indirect speech. So guys, इसमें मैंने कॉमा नहीं लगाए थे. He says कॉमा लगा दिए, इधर भी कॉमा लगा दिया. He says there is no ink in the ink pot. I have written in 2 times. Now, what we will convert, not we will convert, we will remain this sentence same only because this sentence is happening in the present. So you already know we can change a present sentence into past. So if the word is says to is a reporting verb. Okay, that is happening in the present. I am not saying that said to is also not a reporting verb. They are, but said to is talking about the past and says to is talking about the present. So if said to is there, we will change the tense. And if says to, yeah, say to is there. Or simply you say that if says is there, not says to say, if say or says is there, then also we will not change the tense of the sentence. So I hope you have understood what I am talking about. So without any further ado, let's move to the next slide. Now, this is a very important thing that, so guys, these are the changes that would be happen in indirect speech if these words come. So without wasting the time, let's read them. Will, can, may, shall का तो पता ही है आपको, would में हो जाता है, will, can, could में हो जाता है, may, might में हो जाता है, बिल्कुल तुम लोगों को समझ नहीं आएगा. और जो shall है वो होता है should में. अब मैं आपको कुछ एक मेरे से मिस्टेक हो गई है. जो एज लिख रखा है ना, मैंने देखो अंडरलाइन किया है एज रेड से. ये एज नहीं है गाइस, ये है रियलिटी में अगो. इट इज अगो. ओके, रिमेंबर इट. नाउ if this will come in the sentence, it will change into that. If these will come, it will change into those. Here will come, it will change into there. If now will come, it will change into then. If ago will come, it will change into before. If today will come, it will change into that day. If tonight will come, it will change into that night. If last night will come, it will change into the night before or the previous night. Both are correct. If tomorrow will come, you have to change it to next day. If yesterday will come, you have to change in or the previous day or the day before. If last week will come, you have to change the week before or the previous week also you can write. Previous week. Okay. तो गाइस वो 5 से 6 सेंटेंस मैंने जो आपको होमवर्क के लिए दिया था, अब मैं वो आपको करवाऊंगा. So let's move to the slide. Yes. Now the robber told his friend. ऑब्जेक्ट भी है इसके अंदर. सुनने वाला क्या है? ऑब्जेक्ट. वो उसका जो रॉबर है, अपना जो फ्रेंड है, वो क्या है? सुनने वाला. तो द रॉबर टोल्ड हिज फ्रेंड that they would have to run. What will come instead of now? It will then. Okay. So the robber told his friend that they would have to to run then. Okay. Don't feel that ये तो awkward सा लग रहा है, कुछ मिल नहीं रहा आपको, then ही इसमें convert करना होगा. So the robber told his friend that they have to run then. Now see, the robber told his friend they have to run. तो guys मैंने गलती से now लिख दिया है. Don't think that इनको तो आता ही नहीं है. I also know this. So instead of now, you will do THEN. Guys, typing में थोड़ी सी mistake हो जाती है. Sorry for that. Then it will come. They have to run then. Now, let's move to the exercise which I am giving you now. That is, yes, Bali said to Ashok, "You are a good boy." तो guys, इससे पहले मैं आपको एक टेबल दिखा देता हूँ for might be it is 20 seconds. Not 20. I will tell you. You इतनी देर में तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट भी खींच लोगे. So now I am removing and let's come to our today's exercise that is related to direct and indirect speech. Now Bali said to Ashok, "You are a good boy." Next is Ram said to me, "I am." Let me erase it. Yes. Bali said to Ashok, "You are a good boy." Ram said to me, "I am reading a book." Mohan said to Raman, "I will go to Delhi tomorrow." Guys, tomorrow इधर ध्यान से थोड़ा. Batra said, "I am busy now." Now है इधर. He said to me, said to. Remember, I will help you. Tom says. Remember, there is no ink in the ink pot. Anil said to Radha, said to. Sunil was going. Was going will change into I don't know. Guys, आपको ही पता होगा, मेरे को तो पता भी नहीं है. For a walk. So that's all for today. Please like and subscribe our channel. So please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if it is pressing, because I have done it is for kids. So you simply subscribe our channel. So for now,